Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your go-to source for elevating your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamt a kitchen that connects you directly to nature, where the aroma of your favorite dishes mingles with fresh air and the sound of the outdoors? Imagine preparing a delicious meal under a canopy of stars or a sunny afternoon without being tethered to conventional utilities. Well, today we're diving into the incredible world of off-grid outdoor kitchens. This isn't just about cooking outside. It's about embracing a lifestyle of freedom, sustainability, and unparalleled connection with your surroundings. Get ready to be inspired, because we're about to explore how you can create your own outdoor culinary sanctuary. So what exactly is an off-grid outdoor kitchen? Simply put, it's a cooking space built outside your main home that operates independently of public utility services like electricity, gas, and even sometimes municipal water. Think solar-powered refrigeration, wood-fired ovens, rainwater harvesting for sinks, and even portable cooking solutions. It's about self-reliance and minimizing your environmental footprint. But why is this so important, especially now? Firstly, sustainability. By reducing your reliance on traditional energy sources, you lessen your impact on the planet. You're harnessing natural resources, the sun, wood, rainwater, for your cooking needs. Secondly, resilience and preparedness. In an age where power outages and disruptions are becoming more common, having an independent cooking setup provides incredible peace of mind. You'll always be able to prepare meals, no matter what. Thirdly, and perhaps most delightfully, it offers an unparalleled lifestyle experience. It encourages more time outdoors, fosters a deeper connection with your food and its preparation, and creates incredible spaces for entertaining and family gatherings. Imagine the memories you will make. Now, let's get into the exciting part, how to build your own off-grid outdoor kitchen. We got a ton of tips and ideas to get you started, covering everything from basic setups to more elaborate designs. Tip number 1, embrace natural materials and blending with nature. One of the hallmarks of a great off-grid outdoor kitchen is its seamless integration with the natural environment. Think natural stone, reclaimed wood, bamboo, and thatched roofs. These materials not only look beautiful, but are often locally sourced and sustainable. Image 1 shows a stunning example with its wooden beams and bamboo roof, creating a cool and inviting space. Similarly, 5 showcase how stone and rough hewn can create a rustic yet sophisticated feel, blending perfectly with the surrounding landscape. Tip number 2, off-grid cooking appliances, your culinary powerhouses. This is where the off-grid truly comes into play. Wood-fired ovens and grills. A built-in wood-fired oven is a fantastic centerpiece, perfect for pizzas, bread, roasting meats, and even slow cooking. They offer incredible flavor and are entirely independent of electricity or gas. Rocket stoves and portable camp stoves. For more compact or mobile setups, a rocket stove is incredibly fuel efficient, using small amount of wood to generate intense heat. Image 2 features a portable gas stove, which while using propane, is still independent grid electricity and great for a simpler setup. Solar ovens. If you live in a sunny climate, a solar oven is a brilliant way to slow cook, bake, or dehydrate food using only the sun's energy. It's truly remarkable how effective they can be. Tip number 3, water solution for a self-sufficient sink. Water is crucial, even outdoors. For an off-grid setup, consider rainwater harvesting. Collect rainwater from your roof or a dedicated canopy into barrels or cisterns. This can be gravity-fed to a simple sink. Manual pump systems. A simple hand pump connected to a water reservoir can provide running water without electricity. Gray water recycling. If you're using soap, consider a gray water system to safely divert used water for irrigation, provided it's biodegradable. A lovely sink area which can easily be integrated with a rainwater harvesting system. Tip number 4, smart storage and organization. Keeping your outdoor kitchen organized is key to its functionality and longevity. Weatherproof cabinets. Choose materials that can withstand the elements like marine-grade plywood or naturally rot-resistant wood. It offers great examples of built-in cabinetry that provides ample storage. Open shelving. Rustic open shelves can hold frequently used items, cooking essentials, and decorative elements. Airtight containers. Protect your dry goods from moisture and pests with sturdy, airtight containers, like those beautifully displayed. Tip number 5, lighting up your evenings. Don't let the sunset end your outdoor culinary adventures. Solar-powered lighting, the easiest and most sustainable option. Solar lanterns, string lights, and spotlights can illuminate your space beautifully. It showcases lovely hanging lanterns, and has string lights that could easily be solar-powered. Oil lamps and candles. For ambience and a truly rustic feel, oil lamps and large candles add a wonderful glow. LED battery-powered lights. For task lighting, small battery-operated LED lights can be invaluable. Tip number 6, comfortable seating in dining areas. An outdoor kitchen isn't just for cooking, it's for gathering. Built-in benches and bars. As seen, a stone-faced bar with seating is perfect for casual meals and conversation. Rustic tables and chairs. Wooden tables and comfortable chairs invite longer meals and relaxed evenings. Fire pits. An off-grid kitchen often complements an outdoor living space. It highlights how a fire pit can be the heart of the social area, perfect for post-meal relaxation. Tip number 7, shade and shelter. Protecting your kitchen from the elements is vital. Pergolas and thatched roofs. It demonstrates how a simple wooden pergola with a natural roof can provide excellent shade and some rain protection. Tiled roofs. For more robust shelter and classic look, a tiled roof offers superior protection from rain and sun. Strategic planting. Trees and large shrubs can also offer natural shade and a beautiful backdrop. Tip number 8, consider the layout and workflow. Just like an indoor kitchen, a good layout makes all the difference. The golden triangle. Think about the flow between your cooking zone, prep area, and cleaning station. Ample counter space. You'll need plenty of room for chopping, plating, and serving. It all showcases generous counter space. Accessibility. Ensure everything you need is within easy reach. There you have it, a glimpse into the incredible potential of off-grid outdoor kitchens. From sustainable cooking solutions to beautiful, natural designs, these spaces offer so much more than just a place to prepare food. They represent a connection to nature, a step toward self-sufficiency, and a unique way to enjoy life outdoors. Whether you're dreaming of a sprawling culinary paradise or a simple, functional setup, the principles remain the same. Embrace natural materials, utilize renewable energy, and design a space that inspires you to cook, gather, and create unforgettable memories. We hope this video has sparked some amazing ideas for your own off-grid adventure. If you love this deep dive into outdoor kitchens, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends who dream a more sustainable lifestyle. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on sustainable living, outdoor adventures, and unique home designs. What's your favorite off-grid kitchen feature? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you.